We are finally here at the Queen Elizabeth National Park in Uganda. Oh wow! So we are at the Kyambura Gorge, which is also known as the Valley of Apes. So going with us on this trek, we have our main tracker, and we also got two rangers with guns for our safety. Looking forward to it. This is incredible, not even 5 minutes and here we have a chimpanzee sighting, and it's not just a sighting. This is the alpha male. So the alpha chimpanzee just finished its snacking, and we are told that it's now gonna go looking for the group, and we are about to follow it. So technically I should be holding a stick, but my hands are occupied with my camera and my GoPro. So let's see how this goes. Show your hands. And yes, coming down that we filmed multiple times, but we still made it down to the gorge. Yes, we just found the group down the gorge, and this is incredible. A 400 plus kilometer drive, which was close to 7 hours, was absolutely worth it leading to this moment. So it feels like we are living the live version of the Planet of the Apes, and it's exciting. Really. So these incredible creatures have a 98.7 DNA match with us humans, which is incredible. So tracking these guys are not that easy, and the tracker we have on the group starts early morning finding the chimpanzees, and it's not easy because this Kyambura Gorge has lions, leopards, and also hippos as well. So it's not easy, and this is something that they do daily. This is the hunter of the group, and that is the alpha male of the group. This is incredible. So chimpanzees are exceptionally strong, nearly twice as strong as humans, and this is why maintaining caution and following the trackers and the rangers' instructions during this trek is absolutely essential. So I just missed capturing it on camera. There are a few hippos here. This is incredible how close we are to the watering hole and just the sighting of the hippo. This is unbelievable. So that right there is not a big bird's nest. That is a chimpanzee's nest. It is incredible. We were just told that they build a new nest every single day in the evening so that they can sleep. And they do it to avoid predators getting familiarized with where they stay, and also because the old nest would have their waste and feces, making it not suitable for reuse. But it's just incredible the fact that every single day they need to build a new nest. We just completed our trek, and honestly we were absolutely lucky with the weather because it's the rainy season. In terms of the sightings we had, the experience, the engagement, couldn't have asked for any better. But our luck just ran out as we were about to exit the park. We got stuck and we pretty much pushed, pulled and tried to lift the vehicle, but nothing worked. We were pretty much going back to the Stone Age and carrying stones, trying to fit it under the tires to get the right grip. We used these leaves here, nothing worked, and we had to call for backup. And 2+ hours later, we made out. One last tip: do not hold your camera in one hand and your GoPro in the other while going down the gorge. You will fall.